Who is King Sean is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Who is King Sean, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all today. As of May 1st, 2026, it been some changes to the American Express Gold Card. You know how I feel about the Gold Card. It is my favorite card that I use every day and I keep in my wallet, as you see right here. You know, a couple years ago, I had showed you my reward points. People was going crazy asking, how did I get that much reward points? Again, using this card for everything that I'm doing daily, right? So let's get right to the update so I could get y'all updated. So now, for that annual cost that's gonna charge you, that $325 a year, it's still the same, still haven't changed. I'm pretty much surprised with them bumping up the perks for this card, but not increasing that annual fee. Now you can get this pre-approved with no impact to your credit report, and they will be looking at experience, so please don't have a lock on it. So let's take a good look of the ones that have changes, right? Let me scroll this out. I want y'all to see this clearly. Right, first one on the list is 4x points at restaurants worldwide on up to 50,000 in purchases per calendar year, which is really good, right? So now that is the same as it was before. It's no upgraded to that. Now the next one on the list I want y'all to see, 4x points on groceries at US supermarkets on up to 25,000 in purchases per calendar year. Now, things that you're not going to be able to use when it comes to grocery stores, right? Supermarkets, right? You won't be able to use this at Target. You won't be able to use this at Sam's Club. I just want to keep that, give you a heads up on that. Now, we all know with Walmart, they have the Super Walmart and they have the neighborhood Walmart. At the neighborhood Walmart, you will not be able to get this 4x points on groceries. Just want to let you know that is a change when it comes to the upgrade when it comes to this card. Now, let's get on to the biggest one of the day, the 5x point on prepaid hotels booked through amextravel.com or Amex Travel app, which this is what I use for everything. Traveling, airlines, when I'm booking cruises, whatever it may be, I am going through the amextravel.com or the travel app. It doesn't matter. Again, now, initially, this was 2x points, right? Then they bumped it up to 3x points, which now it's at 5x points, which I have to say, this is amazing right here, because I'm really going to save some money. I would definitely have to say. So by changing this was actually an excellent move, especially for somebody that's always booking hotels or traveling. You could really take advantage of these reward points when it comes to this, right? So again, that has changed, right? So on the groceries, this changed, the 5x points changed. And now let's go to the 3x points on flights booked through Amex.com, Amex Travel app, or directly through airlines. That's pretty much the same, I will have to say. And the change, let me move this over so y'all be able to see what's going on here. And then right here, 2x points on prepaid car rentals booked through AmexTravel.com, Amex Travel app, and cruise booked and paid through AmexTravel.com, which is really good. We have a change through that. What we're gonna get to when it comes to the Hertz, right? Let's scroll right down. We still gonna get that $120 Uber cash, which you're gonna get $10 credited to your statement every month. That's pretty much the same. Now the Resi credit which is really good. You're gonna get $100 annually. So between January and July, from January to June, you're gonna get $50 credited, and from July to December, you're gonna get another $50 credit, which is gonna equal out to that $100 annually, which is really good. I will have to say, I got a load of changes in that. Now, $84 credit when it comes to Dunkin' Donuts. You're gonna get that $7 credit statement every month. That's pretty much the same, I will have to say. Let's scroll right back down. Now, the biggest one besides the 5x points on prepaid hotels, right, is the Hertz 5-star status. So by you having this card, you're going to automatically upgrade to the Hertz 5-star status, which is really good. So if you want to get an upgrade, you want to upgrade the ride, the rental that you're going to be using, you'll be able to do that because you're going to be top tier with them, which is really good. Pretty much everything else is pretty much the same, but I will have to say, for them upgrading these couple perks right here It was definitely a plus for me. I'm really gonna take advantage of that 5x points. Again, you need to start using these cards for your advantage, man. Your everyday living. I keep telling y'all every day, man. Use this card. This is the best card out in the game, period. It is no other card better than that. But again, for those couple perks that they did change, price still staying the same, $325. I'll have to say that is really good. I'm glad that they definitely did that and they didn't bump up that price. That really would have discouraged a lot of people from applying for this card. But overall, this card is an excellent card. You're still getting that 120 dining credit. Again, another $10 a month. You're gonna get statement credit monthly. That's pretty much the same, right? So from everything that's changed is the Resi credit, the Hertz upgrade to the 5-star. Again, the 5x points on the prepaid hotels, which is really good. You got a couple perks that you're getting as of May 1st, 2026. So again, man, this is a great card. I've been doing updates on this card for years. So every time things have changed, I pretty much drop a video. Everybody that been watching my video, keeping them updated. Let's go over to my website where I'm giving away the 2 ebooks for free. So we're here on the website. If you want to drop me a line, you got a request for any video, you could send me an email. Give me a couple hours and I'll get right back to you. But for all those that's here for the ebooks that you're going to get absolutely for free, let's bring this up. Again, the Ultimate Credit Repair Guide is there once again. So you want to increase your personal credit scores. You want to remove those charge-offs, those late payments of inquiries. I have everything absolutely in this book for you to scale your personal credit, right? And for all those that want to start building their business side as well, I have the ebook as well there that you'll be able to download for absolutely free. Business Guide to Building Wealth Step by Step. So again, man, get in the comments, tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.